Let's see. Number one, A part. Give me a second. Okay, right. A, capital introduced by the owner Shanta. Capital introduced by the owner Santa. When owner introduces the capital, here the cash 50,000, furniture 30,000. So furniture 30,000 mean furniture increases by 30. Cash mean cash increases by 50. Under furniture, no need to write in bin bracket furniture because it is already furniture column. Under cash, it is cash 50,000. Therefore, total capital equity increases by 80,000 rupees. Am I correct? How many of you got correct answer? Tell me correct. Okay, now let's come to B part. B part, bank loan obtained 25. So cash increases by 25,000 and bank loan increases by 25,000. Bank loan increases by 25,000. I hope everyone got correct answer for this. C, purchase in cash 15,000. So when you purchase, you pay money. So cash decreases by 15 and stock increases by 15,000. Stock increases by 15,000. It's easier for you. If the headings are given, it's very easy for us to record it. Okay. D, check your answers everyone. Sales in cash 20. So cash increases 20,000. The cost is 16, so your stock decreases by 16,000. Equity, there is a profit 4,000, so equity increases by 4,000. Within bracket, you have to write profit. Why we write within bracket, my dear? Within bracket, why are you writing? Because under equity column, there can be equity, there can be income, there can be expense, many things. So that's what within bracket, only under equity column, we are writing what is the particular item. So we can clearly understand 80,000 capital, 4,000 profit. But under cash column, if you put plus minus, no need to write again cash. We know that is only cash we write under cash column. Okay. E. So question can come in two different formats. Earlier we did only asset, equity, liability. Now headings are given to you to make it some more easy. Some more easy. Salary paid. So when you pay salary, furniture decreases by 1,000 and your equity decreases by 1,000. Correct everyone? Sometimes I check you, my dear, careful. Concentrate carefully. This 1,000 not under furniture. It should come under where? Under cash. Under cash. Under cash. Okay? Right. Very good. Good. Concentration is very important. Very good, my dear students. F. Drawings 1,000. Drawings mean cash decreases by 1,000. Owner takes money from business and equity decreases by 1,000. Equity decreases by 1,000. Cash decreases, equity decreases by 1,000. Equity decreases by 1,000. Okay. How many of you got 100% correct? It increases the creditor by 10,000. First one, capital introduce, cash and vehicle increase, equity increases. Second, purchase in cash, therefore cash and creditor increases. So cash and stock effect, cash decrease, stock increase. Third one, purchase on credit, so stock and creditor increases. D, sales in cash, so you receive money plus 30,000. Sales in cash plus 30,000 and the cost is 24. Stock decreases by 24,000. Profit 6,000. Increases under equity 6,000. Profit. Okay. This equity increases 100. First one is capital. capital 100,000. Then we come to E. Electricity paid 5,000, cash decreases 5,000, and equity decreases 5,000. Electricity. Okay. Finally, interest received F. Interest received, cash increases 10,000. Can you tell me where else the other effect? So fifth one, E, electricity paid, so cash decrease, equity decrease. And last one, interest received, cash increase, equity increase. I hope it is clear for everyone. Okay, we'll meet next class. Never give up, my dear students. Take these questions and the answers.